Quail farming. Raising organic quail for eggs in the poultry business. Quail farming has emerged as a lucrative and sustainable venture within the poultry industry. Known for their small size, high reproduction rate and nutritious eggs, quails are an excellent choice for organic farming. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of raising organic quails for eggs, covering everything from selecting breeds to managing a thriving poultry business. 1. Why choose quail farming? Quail farming offers numerous advantages that make it a viable business opportunity. High demand for eggs. Quail eggs are rich in nutrients and are gaining popularity among health-conscious consumers. Their unique taste and small size make them a delicacy in many cuisines. Low investment compared to other poultry options. Quail farming requires less space, feed and initial capital. Rapid growth and high reproduction rate. Quails mature quickly and start laying eggs at around 6 to 8 weeks old. They can lay up to 300 eggs annually, under optimal conditions. Sustainability. Organic farming practices enhance the health benefits of quail eggs while promoting environmental conservation. 2. Setting up your quail farm. Choosing the right breed. The success of your quail farming business largely depends on selecting the right breed. Popular breeds include coturnix Japanese quail, known for their high egg production and adaptability to different climates. Barb white quail, ideal for meat and eggs but requires more space. Button quail, primarily ornamental but can be included in niche markets. Focus on breeds that thrive in your local environment and meet your production goals. Designing the housing. Proper housing is critical for healthy and productive quails. Key considerations include space requirements. Allocate 1 square foot for 4 to 5 quails to prevent overcrowding. Ventilation. Ensure adequate airflow to reduce ammonia buildup and maintain a healthy environment. Temperature control. Maintain a stable temperature between 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius for optimal productivity. Lighting. Provide 14 to 16 hours of light daily to stimulate egg production. Use organic bedding materials like straw or wood shavings and clean the housing regularly to prevent diseases. 3. Feeding and nutrition. Organic feed is essential for raising healthy quails and producing high-quality eggs. Consider the following diet composition. Quails require a balanced diet rich in protein, 20 to 24% during their growing and laying phases. Organic feed sources use certified organic grains, seeds and legumes. Supplement with calcium-rich sources like crushed oyster shells for stronger eggshells. Water supply. Provide clean, fresh water at all times. Avoid synthetic additives or antibiotics to maintain organic certification standards. For breeding and egg production. A. Breeding practices. Maintain a male to female ratio of 1 to 5 for optimal fertility. Separate breeders from layers to focus on specific production goals. Monitor health and productivity to select the best breeding stock. The egg collection and handling. Collect eggs daily to ensure freshness. Store eggs at a temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius with proper humidity levels. Avoid washing eggs unless necessary, as it removes the protective bloom. 5. Disease management and biosecurity. Healthy quails are vital for a successful business. Implement these measures. Vaccination. Follow a vaccination schedule to prevent common diseases. Hygiene. Clean and disinfect housing, feeding equipment and waterers. Regularly quarantine. Isolate new birds for observation before introducing them to the flock. Natural remedies. Use organic herbs and supplements like garlic and turmeric to boost immunity. 6. Marketing and selling organic quail eggs. Or identifying your market. Local markets, farmers markets, health food stores and organic grocery shops. Restaurants and hotels. High-end establishments seeking specialty products. Direct-to-consumer sell through social media platforms or e-commerce websites. The branding and packaging highlights the organic and health benefits of your quail eggs. Use eco-friendly, attractive packaging to appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Include labels with nutritional information and certifications. See pricing strategies. Research market rates to set competitive prices. Offer discounts or subscription plans for regular customers. 7. Scaling and diversifying your business. Once your quail farming business is established, consider expanding value-added products. Create pickled or salted quail eggs. Meat production. Diversify into organic quail meat, which is lean and flavorful. Workshops and tours. Offer farm tours or training programs for aspiring quail farmers. 8. Challenges and how to overcome them. A disease outbreaks. Maintain strict biosecurity measures. Consult a veterinarian promptly for any signs of illness. V. Market competition. Differentiate your product through organic certification and unique branding. C. Regulatory compliance. Familiarize yourself with local laws regarding organic farming and poultry production. Obtain necessary permits and certifications to operate legally. Conclusion. Quail farming for organic eggs is a rewarding venture that combines sustainability with profitability. By following best practices in breeding, nutrition and marketing, you can establish a thriving poultry business. With growing consumer demand for organic and healthy food options, now is the perfect time to embark on this exciting journey.